Good thing Bertram will come back soon thanks to Smudger and Tim. Along with Duke, said Skarloey, and he puffed along the line. Skarloey thought he was being clever. Then he stopped in a strange alley. Huh. I'm in a strange alley. Well, later I'll head back. I just gotta pick up trucks from the quarry quick. But then he heard a strange horn. Who was that? There can't be any engine. But he realized who it was. It's Derek. One of the engines that Stanley took control. As Skarloey realized it, he puffed away to head back to the Skarloey Railway. Gotta head back, quick! He said. His driver light his firebox and the narrow gauge engine raced down the line away from Derek. Yikes! He shouted. His wheels pounded on the rails away from Derek. Smudger! I need to be the crazy engine, but Derek's after me. Don't worry, then I'll use the shield. He called. After Smudger hung up the phone, the shield appeared in front of him. As Derek kept on going, Skarloey realized that he has to put an end to it. I gotta end this quick.